Hey everybody, this is the Battlbox for September 2021. This is my first Crate of the Club month delivery, and let me show you what's inside. So the Battlbox is geared to survival, everyday carry, camping kinds of things. And this is mission 79. So it comes with this little pack here. This book tells you what's in the mission. And there are 4 different levels. You've got the basic box, the advanced box, the pro box, and then there's a Pro Plus box. And the box that I'm showing is the Pro Plus. So the first item that we're going to pull out of here is going to be the trail chili. Spaghetti, beans, cheddar cheese, onion, and beef. I have not tried this brand. But we'll check that out at some point. In the basic kit, you've got the Gearhalo Technical Silver Active. And basically, this stuff here is odor, moisture absorbent. And so you would throw this in the in your pack. It does come with 2 of them. So throw that in the bottom of your pack. There is hook and pile tape on each side here, so you can secure that in the bottom. It does have a little bit of a fragrance to it. Can't really tell what that is, but that would be something that you would, put somewhere that you don't want that stink to come around. We have the hand turbine AM FM weather radio. These are always important to put into your gear bag. The hand crank so that you can not run out of batteries. You never know when you're going to need a radio. And it also has a flashlight on the end of it as well. One of the big items for this month is the Survivor Filter Pro Pump. So this removes 99.99% of virus, staph, and bacteria, meets EPA, your protozoa, your giardia, and your crypto. It's cleanable. It's got 100,000 liter lifespan. And it's very lightweight, 12.8 ounces. So it has a bag. You can keep all your hoses and things in there. Has a pre-filter as well as your in and your out hose. It has a syringe so that you can clean out the filter and backwash it every once in a while. One of the recommendations that I saw here was to get 2 of the sandwich baggies and put 1 hose in each, and make sure you don't cross-contaminate by putting that that lake or stream hose into the spot where you would want that to go in your bottle, and so you could reduce that cross-contamination. So it comes, this protective cover pops off. That could become your a drinking glass, or you can just filter the water into that. Standard hand pump, back and forth, easy to use. It has the inlet and the outlet, as well as the filter that can be changed, and you can flush that out. Very lightweight, something that you should have in your go bag to filter out water. Looks like a pretty handy item. So these are the arcband, okay? And basically these are kind of tie straps. It's multi-purpose restraint band that can be used for securing cables, wires, slings, tourniquet to your kit, and much more. Comes in a couple of 3 different colors. The black looks like the desert tan and the olive green. They clip together with that clip. Pretty strong little bungee. And you can use those for all kinds of little projects in your go bag, gear bag. Get some exclusive coupons. And the Pro Plus item this month is going to be the Revo knives. And this is the Journey, the RJ-1 black. It does come in a couple of different colors, and this one is going to be the black one. Straight blade. Got a real solid handle on that. Nice back to scrape your ferrous rods. And then a very sharp blade. It has your full tang handle. And it also has a lanyard attachment here. It says it is 3.5 inches long for the blade. And it comes with a sticker. Pretty nice little knife pouch. Very secure here. Not going to come out. You can either attach some lanyard cord here and hang that around your neck or your pack, or you can use the belt molly connection here and attach that to your gear. Pretty nice little kit, and I hope that this has been helpful to you. This is the Battlbox Mission 79, September 2021.